One of the candidate who has been taking sessions from me was asking me, ma'am, I want to get a promotion and I'm not getting it. My work is appreciated. But that promotion is something that is lacking. Everybody likes to give me work and I do the work and they appreciate my work, but they don't give me promotions. Because for the promotion I need to give an interview. In that interview I never pass. So today I'll be discussing how you can be successful in your life and what are the missing things that help you succeed in life. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Akshita Bahuguna and I'm back with my Unbox Entrepreneurship. Unbox Entrepreneurship is all about skill development and business creation. For the skill development, there are certain things that are required by not only the entrepreneurs but the intrapreneurs. The people who are doing the job, they need these skills to get promotions. And today we will be discussing what are the things which are missing in the person who wants to get success, who does the best work, who gets the best recognition but not the promotion. The difference between the person who gets the promotion and the person who gets only recognition and applause and not the promotion is that the person who works on himself or herself more than he or she works for the job gets promotion. I'm repeating. The person who enjoys learning, who improves, who tries to be above average becomes above average. And the one who does above average, who does the hard work and doesn't improve the self never gets above average. So, to be above average, to be a person who's above average, you need to smile above average. You need to have an excitement that is above average. You need to be interested in the people that is above average. You need to have a handshake which is above average. And believe me, the people are not even ready to change that handshake, the smallest and the easiest thing, which is the handshake that can easily be changed. And if you change, if you improve yourself, you'll be above average, you'll be successful and you'll get promotions as well. So learn to work on yourself, improve yourself to improve your status. That is something which many of us forget to work on and then land up frustrating because we work above average but we don't get earnings which are above average, the promotions which are above average. We don't get ahead of every above average person, and it is just because we are not working on ourselves. As far as our self is concerned, we are below average, and as far as the work is concerned, we are above average, and that is why we are not going above average. So work on yourself, learn, have a habit of having an above average intensity to win, and that intensity comes with the hunger to learn. So be hungry to learn every time and learn and develop yourself, improve yourself every day to get better. That is the only way to be successful, to get promotions and not only recognition. I'm repeating, learn to work harder on yourself than on your job. Do the best and do the better next day is a phrase of yesteryears. Nowadays, it is be the best and be better the next day is the new phrase, is the new way to be successful. Hope this video would encourage you to stay hungry and learn more and work on yourself. And if you work on yourself, you'll be happy and be entrepreneurial. And you'll live this life of abundance. So be happy, be entrepreneurial and live the life of abundance. If you want to unbox more of entrepreneurship with us, keep liking, subscribing and following us. And don't forget to share it with your friends, families and fellows. Thank you.